In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find wedding apparel on Dhgate. First, open your web browser and head to the Dhgate homepage. This is your main hub for everything on the site, and it's where the navigation begins. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand side. That's where Dhgate keeps its primary navigation panel, and it's the quickest way to jump straight to the types of products you want. From that left menu, click on All Categories. This expands the full catalog so you're not limited to just featured or trending listings. You'll see a broad, organized view of everything Dhgate offers, which makes it much easier to find the exact section for wedding items. Next, select Wedding, Party, and Events. This is the dedicated area for all things celebration, and it includes the wedding apparel you're after. Think of this like walking into a department specifically built around weddings. The structure is clear, and the categories are laid out to guide you from broad choices to specific pieces. Now browse the wedding apparel categories. You'll typically find options related to bridal gowns, bridesmaid dresses, groomsmen suits and tuxedos, flower girl outfits, veils, headpieces, gloves, jewelry, shoes, clutches, and more. Move through these category names at your own pace and note where your needs fit. If you're shopping for multiple roles in the wedding party, use this section to quickly hop between relevant groups so you can compare styles and keep your look cohesive. As you scroll, don't worry if the exact item you had in mind doesn't appear right away. Category names can be broad, and some items fall under specialized headings rather than the most obvious ones. If the category you want isn't visible, or you're not sure where a certain accessory would live, there's a simple solution built right in. Click on Other Wedding Apparel. This is a catch-all area designed to surface the pieces that don't neatly fit into the main categories. Once you open it, additional categories will appear, revealing more specialized or niche items. This is especially handy for unique accessories, matching sets, seasonal pieces, or items that different sellers label in slightly different ways. It's a great place to discover finishing touches that complete your overall look. And that's the path. Start at the homepage. Check the left-hand menu, open all categories, choose wedding, party, and events, browse the wedding apparel sections, and if something isn't listed where you expect, open other wedding apparel to see the expanded options. You now know exactly where to go and how to navigate Dhgate to find wedding apparel efficiently and confidently.